So with the Halacha for today, we're holding in the laws of Shabbos, Siman Reish Samech Vav, section 266, Halacha number 10, Halacha Yud. ויוכל ליתנו לקוטן אפילו הגיע לחינוך והוא בנוי שחייב לחנך במצוות. We learned yesterday that if you find yourself with a deaf-mute person and a minor, who should you choose? We said that you can choose whoever you want. So it says today, one may give the purse even to a minor who has reached the age when he should be trained in the observance of mitzvahs. Some say it's the age of 6. Let's see, at 55 it says, Baal Shulchan for details regarding determining the age. The discussion about the age, what exactly the age of chinuch is, the age that he should be trained in the observance of mitzvahs. And even if it is his son, whom he personally obligated to train in the observance of mitzvahs, this is your mitzvah. For the obligation to train a child is merely a rabbinic obligation, and in this instance, our sages permitted him to ignore that obligation, lest he perform a scriptural transgression himself. So it's better for a child to do it than for an adult. Nevertheless, when he gives the purse to a child or even to a deaf-mute or mentally incompetent person, he must give it to them after they have lifted their legs to proceed on their way. They have to be walking, they have to be in motion. And also, not standing, then it creates hanacha. And also take it from them when they want to stand, so they will not perform an akira, a pudding, or hanacha, as explained above. Even though he's not obligated to see that they rest on the Shabbos, he doesn't have to see it, he can look the other way. He is nevertheless forbidden by scriptural law to feed them forbidden food directly, as will be explained in section 343. Now, giving them his purse to carry, even if he gives it to them while it is still day on Friday, since he knows that they will carry it on Shabbat, and that is his intent in giving them. Why is he giving it to them? That's his intent, that they will carry it on Shabbat, is equivalent to feeding them forbidden food directly. It's like giving your child, God forbid, something that is not kosher. Therefore, he does not have license to have them carry it unless they do not perform the akira and the hanacha. He does not have the license to have them carry it unless they do not perform the akira and hanacha, since a scriptural prohibition is not involved. Even if they are journeying through a public domain in the complete sense, in such a situation, our sages permitted him to violate a rabbinic prohibition that he will not carry the purse himself. So you should try to avoid the child doing akira and hanacha, putting and resting it. Nevertheless, if a donkey is accompanying him, he should place his purse on the donkey and not give it to one of these people, for they are included in the category of Adam. They are considered Adam. Doesn't make a difference what is their mental capacity. Part of a group that is includes those who are obligated to perform mitzvot, and thus one might think that he is also allowed to give it to an ordinary Jewish adult. So it's always the better way to do it is to give it to a child. The best way is to put it on an animal, a donkey, and the second best is give it to a child.